something. Working in data. The whole world runs on data.
Yeah, I
But
want to find this
also,
boss bitch and I can't, which makes me mad.
each series of tech. So we had the .com boom, and then I would say 2007 to 2015 is the cloud computing boom. And now we have the AI boom, and why AI is so important
Wait.
is for the code.
It was the cloud boom and then the remote work. The
Remote
switch to
work.
remote work. Yeah, which needed the cloud boom in order to survive.
Right. And
Then remote work, and then I would say probably social blew up, like video social.
oh yeah, the ability to do video. And also before social, the internet was just used for research and porn. And
Yeah.
mostly porn. Like 90% of sites
That's so funny.
were porn. And then social came out, and all of a sudden, there was a use case for everyone to be online that wasn't scientific research or porn. Granted, the first Google image search was J.Lo's dress because everyone was trying to see it so much that they invented an image search around it.
That's so
The
funny.
first image shared and image generation sharing through computing was because people wanted to see it was a particular person's titties. She was famous in like the 90s.
Oh my
And with the rise of video, you have more. And now with agentic AI, and people are trying to create robot girlfriends. But the point is, now there's a reason for people to. That's why you see so many software as a service, is because people are realizing, oh, there are more use cases than just porn. But porn is always leading the industries and blah blah blah. Anyway, I don't really know where I was going with this. I'm gonna shut up before
I think we were just
banned.
no, I think you're just talking about the major shifts in internet culture, and I think it's important to kind of think of it as a timeline and like know like where we came from, and like it's important to like morph and shift and adopt where the online community is going, and like continue to just try to create delightful experiences. Like I think that's the only reason why like we're on the earth, is to create these delightful experiences. You do it with personalized illustrative design, and I do it with minimalism and type.
Yeah, you're the one with the superpower. I draw things sometimes. Like it.
You said I draw things sometimes. Okay.
Yeah, I think together we are a combined force.
Right,
We
and
just
we
gotta
don't create,
work
and
together.
we don't, right, we don't create enough. Every time like I'm like, "Yo, I really need you to create this thing." Do you know what I mean? Then we don't. I fucking found the boss bitch. Yo, I was on a mission just now. I'm like, wait, did I follow her? It's fucking LinkedIn. The name of the company is Vast. Vast. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen,
What is
and
that?
non-binary folk. Hold on.
A
Hold on. Collab vids. Hillary Co, Chief Design and Marketing Officer at Vast. First of all, her about is kick ass. I am an Emmy award winning design leader and storyteller, employing bold multi platform innovations to solve the world's greatest challenges. As SpaceX's first director of design, I was privileged to lead the visual strategy and narrative for new era of spaceflight, blah, blah, blah. As Chief Design and Marketing Officer at VAST, my mission continues with the development of long-term life in space and the world's first commercial space station. Hello? That's what you asked me about, right? You talking about the moon? You talking about the moon? Fuck the moon. Yo, what a boss bitch. And her featured section, oh, Jesus Christ. Anyway, so they're looking for project managers. That was a day ago. The name of the company is Vast. Website is gorgeous, blah, blah, blah. But like, how many like female boss bitches do you know that are in like not just aviation, but space aviation?
Mm-hmm.
So shout out to LinkedIn.
It's rocket design.
It's just rock. It is rocket science. Shut the fuck up. So yeah, this is what's making me like love LinkedIn, because where else would I have found her?
No, and
Like
it's
as
like
a
people just
fucking
doing
cool
their
people. Just
thing.
just vibing. Just fucking
Mhm.
vibing. All right, babe, I need to eat fruit
Yo,
and learn
so real.
about
I take my
AWS
meds.
Bedrock. But I love you. I'm so glad we got to kick it. You're such an inspiration. I do still want to fuck with Figma Buzz. I need help with some thumbnails. I will, like, in the next 2 days, I promise you, I will just share the link with wherever I'm working. And then can we promise, promise, promise? So I already booked you to film later on this week. We're still meeting.
Okay, what time?
Audience, we're holding Jay accountable. I don't know. Look at your fucking calendar. We're holding
Okay.
Jay accountable. We're going to film again this week. I'm going to try to get this edited before the end of the week. Okay. And drop it. This is going to be episode 1 of the pod. I think so. I fucking think
Okay.
so.
I
But I
don't
love you and appreciate
see
you.
an email request from you.
You're a goddamn lie. You are a goddamn lie. You gonna lie in front of look, millions of fucking viewers. Millions. So
I
fake.
see our.
Oh my god.
I don't.
It's in there. I think it's.
I have the
I
club
don't want to.
post fig recap
That
with
is
it.
that. No, there's another one. There's another one this week, and don't mention the day because I don't want people to know where I'm at, when I'm at, where I'm at, where I'm at, when I'm at, wherever I'm at. But it's on there.
Oh, I
Okay,
see.
shut
You
up.
have scheduled it on the same day I have an echocardiogram,
That's
so
okay.
we
So
are
move it.
going to move it. I see it though. I see it. I can't reschedule
This
it.
is
You have
this is
me.
this is I can do that. This is my karate chop. Be karate chop and do that bullshit.
I won't say what day it's on.
Do
I will
not.
just say
Do
that it
not.
doesn't work for me because it's on the same day as
That's okay.
something.
We will work it out, but we are committed to consistent content
Do you ever
capturing.
close your teeth and think it looks like an igloo inside your skull?
No, that's your thing. That's your funny smile. That's your funny smile. That's your funny thing. Oh my God. Yo, we love y'all. Peace. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for watching.
I'm
What
so
what are
sorry. You can edit out so much.
what do the kids say? Do they say like and subscribe? They go like and
Yeah,
subscribe.
like us, subscribe to us. Um,
Oh,
every
I have a wait.
part
I have a
is
social.
one
Wait, is it gonna work? Let's try it.
of
So thank y'all for pulling up. Don't make fun of me. Say your
no. Thank
goodbyes.
you so much for just putting this together, Joy. I always enjoy talking with you. I know it's a lot of shoot the shit, and I move my arms around too much and whatever, but
Multitask.
I
Mm-hmm.
appreciate you so much
Aww.
for just getting here and letting us establish ourselves as really smart people doing what we do because we are. And I think that it's good for the community to like continue education and talk about these things. And yeah,
And
I feel
not be
like
afraid of AI.
right. I feel like this talk we were pretty pro AI. I feel like we've gone back and forth on it. I think I understand that there are a lot of people who are scared of using it or it's plagiarizing content, and I understand all of that. I also understand that 30% of Microsoft's code base is written with AI now, so it's not going away anytime soon. And I think the more
Mm.
that we prepare ourselves, the more we understand about it, regardless of how much you want to use it or don't want to use it, I think it's going to be important. So thank you for listening, regardless of where you are on the AI debate.
Beautiful way to wrap up.
Tune in next time.
Tune in next time. We love y'all. Bye.